Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S86 Pro, and today I will show you how we can format your SD card. So to get started, open up your settings. From here, scroll down to storage. Unless we don't have storage. Okay, so storage is located under System and then Storage. Now in here, you will be able to see your SD card. So you want to click on it. I'm going to be selecting Files as a way of accessing it. And in here, you can tap on it 3 dots, navigate to Storage Settings, where you will find the Format option. So click on it. This will give you a pop-up letting you know that everything from that card will be removed, and if there is anything that you would like to keep on that card, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. So assuming you have already done the backup or you simply don't want to, select Format SD card, and well, that's about all we need to do. It's already finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.